going on, guys? It's Fusions here, and me and Avon are playing some White Noise online. Yep, so let's see what we can do. And we are, if y'all didn't know, we're IRL, friends in real life. And it looks like there's beats on his head. But he's walking like a little faggot. Oh god, we're static. Oh god! Alright. Can see what I'm seeing. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm seeing, but it's pretty creepy. Can they, Avon? Oh god, alright. I hear some static noises. Oh god. Man, can't find a tape. Are you a girl, Matt? That has a big old bunky hole. Oh god! How do you run? I forgot! Oh yeah, there you go. Avon? Oh god. This way, go this way. No, he's back that way. Oh my god. Oh, go, no, I didn't just scream. Go ahead. He's going this way. Oh god. Alright. Oh god, I'm on this. Go, run. No, Matt, wrong way. Oh god. Alright, run. Alright, everything's okay. Buttermilk and biscuits. Where? Well, he's right there, Matt, go away, right to your right. It's too dangerous to go alone. Oh god. I'm about to die. Oh, I just died. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god, what's going on? I think I'm in heaven. Dude, I'm running back. Alright, I think I'm running. Dude, are we in heaven? Matt, it's like all white around me, like all cloudy. And it's all light for me. Dude, this is crazy. What do I look like to you? Don't go in this room, this bus stop room, don't go in it. Can I see him too or no? Dude, wait, come up to me. I think you're wearing. You are. Wait, stop. You are wearing Beats. Yes, it has to be on the side. I can't sprint like you, but you do. God, you got some sexy legs. Big ol'. Oh, your girl just screamed. Oh my god. Oh, you just died. Oh my gosh. Way to go, Avon! Way to go! Are you still recording? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like and subscribe. Alright.